Hello, this is Pooja P.S. I am pursuing BE in Information Science at Channabisveshwara Institute of Technology, and today I am going to teach about finding the middle element of a singly linked list. And this is the algorithm that we follow here. The first step is we are traversing the linked list using two pointers. That is, one is the fast pointer and one is slow pointer. And we are moving one pointer by 1 and the other pointer by 2. And when the fast pointer reaches the end, then the slow pointer will reach the middle of the linked list. Thus we will get the middle element of a singly linked list and we will print that element here. And this is the C++ code that we have written to find the middle element of a singly linked list. Here we are creating a structure called node, and this is the data field that will store the data of the node, and here we are creating a pointer that is the next pointer, and this is the print middle function that we have created, and this function will get the middle element of the linked list. And here we are creating two pointers, that is slow pointer and the fast pointer, as I said in the algorithm. And here we are checking the condition, that is if head is not equal to null, then we are checking another while condition, that is fast pointer is not equal to null and fast pointer of next is not equal to null. If this condition is true, then these two statements will be repeated, that is fast pointer is assigned as fast pointer of next and slow pointer is assigned as slow pointer of next. And when this condition becomes false, then we will get the middle element here, that is we will print the middle element. The middle element is %d, that is slow pointer of data, and we will get the middle element of the singly linked list that will be printed in this function. And here we are creating the push function where this is the utility function. This function is we are creating to add a new node here, and this statement will allocate the node, and this statement will put in the data, and this will link the old list of the new node, and this will move the head to point to the new node. And next here we are creating the print list function here, and this function will print the given linked list, that is the what linked list we are giving the input, it will be printed here. That is, here it will check the while condition whether ptr is not equal to null, and if it is true, it will print the linked list here. And this is the main function, that is the driver code. Here we are starting with the empty list, that is we are assigning null, and here we are iterating and adding the element to the list. And here this method will print the linked list that we have given, and this will print middle method will print the middle element of the singly linked list, and thus we'll get the output as this is the list that we have 1 2 3 4 5, and the middle element of this list is 3. Here the middle element is 3. Thank you.